Wednesday, February 18th, and last night's video was the long 22-minute video, and I shot the video from up on the balcony and then all the different angles around the shop, and I asked guys to comment, and my lord, there was like just tons of comments. And as usual, we had Steve McCoy comment. He's watching from California. Can you imagine that? And then his Mrs. Steve McCoy, says he just gets a real kick when he gets mentioned here. And then Clarence Olson's another guy that comments quite a bit, and he's actually watching from near Shellbrook, right near our friend Larry. Larry's just down the road in St. Walburg. But everybody else that commented, I was really surprised that it was all over North America primarily. A lot of guys from Nunavut and a lot of guys from the States. But thanks for commenting. Dad loves comments. And right now he's working on some tires, getting them cleaned up. We just got these new 3D printed. They're not going to work? Yeah, okay, I'll let him know.
Don't forget to mention Mrs. McCoy.
Yeah.
And Mrs. Atchison.
Oh yeah, Celeste, she loves watching these videos. Yeah. Her husband's a big fan, but I think Celeste's a bigger fan. So what Dad's working on here right now is we got these new nose caps, and Ryan Johnson, one of our suppliers there, he I don't think it's on street, no, Dad. No. Okay, I won't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Ryan just 3D printed these as a test, and Dad's going to try and get him to working on there. Anyway, so what Dad and we're going to get straight into the video here is what Dad and Aidan discovered, and we suspected, was there was going to be needle bearings, and when we took these axles off, and it was the case. Now it's a 1956. It was kind of like, well, might be there, might not be there, but they were there. And so I had to order some bushings off of Ryan Johnson, and I'm going to go just check on the other side here, and they got everything off here as well. So 6 bushings are going to go where? Can you point them out? Just the center ones, or what?
These are needle bearings.
Yeah.
And over service, eh?
Okay.
Where's the needle bearings? And there's the bushing from the inside.
Oh, wow, look at that. That's was winging a prayer for these guys. I don't know at what point this thing just completely failed, but it would have been a series of about 90 different things. So lucky it just ran, period.
We're going to take all these off.
Yeah.
There's 3 on each side.
Yeah.
Put bushings in. I'll drill extra holes in the bushing because 2 grease holes are not enough.
Okay.
It hardly moves.
Yeah, I'm just going to shut off the radio here real quick.
And there's different size needle bearings.
So Aidan just found something new here. What happened?
See this one has thicker needle bearings.
Yeah, somebody made them. That's one good.
And then this one has bronze bushing in it.
Yep.
Okay, is 6 bushings going to be enough, or do I need to order more?
That one should. Where'd that come off of?
This one.
That should turn pretty good then. Put it on. Now grab hold of the axle, see what's got for plate. Hey, that's it.
Feels kind of wore out. This one has got the end is pretty chewed up, right around here.
Yeah, just take that bushing and slide it on there, see if it fits.
On this one?
Yep. Don't have to be too fussy. See, that would work there. Just clean it up.
So we're sticking with the 6 that we have to order?
Yep, we'll get 6.
Okay, so...
We're not going to take that bushing out.
What about for the back ones? Do we need...
No bushing in there.
No.
In here is...
That one?
In here is bearings.
Okay.
And that one rides on the shaft.
Okay. So you don't want me to take those out?
Yeah, they can come out because we gotta grease this. See, that whole thing should come out this way.
Okay, so that rear position, they're going to be putting in those big Dennis Evans tires. We got 2 left. And
that can stay in there, Aidan. No, come out one piece.
Okay, I thought you had to take this off to get it nipple.
2 bearings in there.
anyways, well, Aiden's taking that off. I had to order some ski legs. I don't know if I mentioned that on a previous video. They're just completely garbaged. And so Ryan is making up a special set for us. Well, not a special set, a set. He just had none available in stock. And Nina Pinta Santa Maria has been supervising all day, just shaking. But, okay, what's it look like down there?
Just lay it down. Lay it down. Don't look at it. I know what it is. It's 2 fucking bearings. That's it. Now you're talking. The whole thing could have come off like that. That's got to be cleaned up. With grease on it.
Want to put a nipple in here?
Put a nipple in there after, so you can grease it and done.
Alright, so some light instruction here today. I gotta tell these guys to get the hell out of here because it's the town festival today. And it's called the Northern Manitoba Trappers Festival. And they have what they call is the Torchlight Parade. And it can be 40-50 floats long. You know, if you're from a big city, it doesn't sound like much, but that'll take up half our town and tie up traffic for 2 hours. So if you're not ahead of that, you're going to be behind it. And oh my god, look at all that crap in there yet. So yeah, that's the fun part of just disassembling the things. But once they get all that cleaned up and back on with the new bearings and whatnot, it's a matter of just putting it all back together. But Dad's got all those tires set up over there so you can work on them. And
to put all the tires on.
and then they still got to do some work on the engine, and they got parts ordered on that. We've got 2 sprockets that are coming in because these are garbage. And so ski legs, sprockets, bushings, and then bogie chains as well. I've ordered.
See, when the sprocket goes like that,
Yeah,
it's soft.
yeah.
And then when you're under pressure, that squeezes in, and that sprocket's had it. So
Yeah, and then I ordered a speedy sleeve for that one there too, and that's coming in a couple days. So we got enough parts ordered, and then they're going to keep on working. Hopefully, once they get this work done, they can.
Bogey chain,
That's what I did. I ordered 10 sets,
or 10 pair, or
10. Yeah, 10 each,
Yeah, 10 chains.
10 chains. You have to make them up.
Okay, we'll pull them apart.
Anyways, so yeah, there are lots of disassembling around here, and they still got to work on that manifold, putting on the new one, doing compression tests on this thing. Got to change the oil, change out a bunch of valves, decarbonize everything. I'm gonna be at this for 2-3 weeks for sure, guaranteed, no problem.
We need a new shock in the front too.
Oh, a new shock?
There.
Shock or spring? Show me.
See that? Half the eye is gone on the
Okay,
bottom. There's
just
no
hold on.
bushing left.
I'll take a picture of that. Okay, so I'll add that to the order too.
No, I can get them from Carly's.
Can you? Okay, good.
We'll cut this out tomorrow,
Okay,
right after breakfast.
yeah. There's lots of little work here, guys. We still got to get Randy back in here to do wiring, so...
I ordered the cables in.
Okay,
Get a couple of boxes. But just bring everything from the back to the front. It's not going to take long. Numbers and wires.
okay, well, so they're busy doing this, and yeah, again, thanks everybody that commented. I really appreciate it. Dad was just beaming last night. So thanks to all our regular watchers. A bunch of guys have been like subscribed with us since the early days, and I don't have a list of everybody that commented, but I do appreciate it. And had to make special mention of Mrs. Steve McCoy. You know, she's a lucky woman, Steve. Not too many guys would let her watch these videos every day. Okay, we're gonna check in with the dogs here in a bit, and then that'll be it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So if you guys want to know what needle bearings are, this is it. And that they used to form that around the axle there, and then it was a pain in the ass.
That went.
Yeah, a massive pain in the ass to take everything out, because one would fall out on you and then you have to take everything apart and re-put it in. I saw Dad do this a few times.
Boys, they don't grease them and they wear out, and then instead of being tight like this, they get on angle because there's not enough bearings, needle bearings to keep it straight.
Yeah.
So what they done now is just eliminate all this. Some guys are still saving them.
Yeah.
And we put brass bushings in, drill. So there's 4 holes in the brass bushing, put it in, and you're done.
Yeah. So that's the way to go, guys. And those brass bushings you can get off of Ryan. I'm positive of them. I've seen them in a shop before. So yeah, it's old versus new.
Yes, sir.
And this is one of the few improvements where, you know, the bushings are highly desirable.
If the customers are 80 years old and over, they get these back.
Oh, okay. Under 88 years old, we can throw them out?
Yep.
Okay.
No use saving for some guys that are crowding 85.
Okay. So if they're older than you, they get them back?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, and the day treats for everybody. Charlie doesn't even have to leave the doghouse. I just put the treats in there for him. And then there's Yeti the Yetters, and Filipino Emily, and Mila Blondie. And oh, it's a favorite time of day when we get all the treats. We get yummies, we get marrow bones, we get chicken strips, and then if we suck hole enough, we get a second round of treats.